Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you this super fun look. This is an editorial makeup look that I have created for a contest that I am participating to, and I really hope that it's going to inspire you to try something new and to try a beautiful look for a mask. Let me put the mask on so you can see how fun it is. It's super fun, right? I mean, I know this is an editorial one, but how fun it would be if I would go out on the streets like this. Anyway, if you guys like it and you want to know how I created it, then please keep on watching. Okay, let's begin with priming the face. I'm using the Benefit Professional Matte Rescue. It's the gel one, and it's going to fill up my pores and mattify my skin. And I'm applying it on the T-zone, especially in the areas where I have pores that I want to diminish. I also like to press the primer into the skin and into the pores. For foundation, I'm going to use a mix between these two, this L'Oreal and Urban Decay Stay Naked, because I don't have the perfect match on either one. So mixed together, they will kind of match my skin tone. I am mixing them on the back of my hand. Where is my beauty blender? Be right back. Found it. Now I'm going to press the foundation into the skin. Now it's time for a concealer, and I'm using this one from L'Oreal. This is a high coverage concealer and I really like it. I like the wand because it's so big. Now I'm going to press it into the skin with my damp beauty blender. Now I'm going to prep my lid, and I am using Soft Ochre Paint Pot from MAC, and I am pressing it onto the lid. It's going to even out the lid, and it will hide any veins that are visible here in this area. And I am dragging it also towards the temple and on the lower lash line also. Now we're moving on with brows, and I'm using this as a fix white color from NYX. Let's the fun begin. So I'm going to make my eyebrows white, and I'm going to paint them. This is actually pretty fun. With the black pencil, I'm going to draw some lines. Now I'm going to blend out. I'm gonna take this shade, this teal shade, and I'm going to place it on my brows. I'm coming back with white again. And with the teal shade, and we are blending these two colors together. I'm taking this yellow from here. Now I'm taking this navy blue from the Escape Artist palette from NYX. I'm placing here over the black base, and here. Now I'm coming with the black again, and I am intensifying the inner part. and I'm dragging the black eyeliner all over to the lid. Now I'm taking this golden shade and placing it onto the lid. With the wet again, I'm just going. Now I'm taking this purple a little bit and I want to be here. Here. Now I'm taking this shade of light pink. I am putting it onto the inner corner here on our lash line. I'm applying some blush. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this type of video, and I will see you guys in my next video.